Hello student. Today we are going to study chapter number 4 of Flamingo class 12th, that is The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof. That is chapter number 4 of your main textbook. Selma Ottilia Louisa Lagerlof was a Swedish author. Swedish means he belonged to Sweden. She was the first female writer to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Born on November 20, 1858, Marbacka, Sweden. Died March 16, 1940, Marbacka, Sweden. Theme. The lesson tells us about the trap of material benefit that most human beings are prone to fall into. It is also about the human tendency to redeem oneself from dishonest way through love and understanding. Selma Lagerlof was a Swedish writer. The Rat Trap illustrates how the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through love and understanding. The story is set amidst the iron mines of Sweden. Selma has beautifully brought out the concept of human loneliness and the need to bond with others. Major ideas. The man selling rat trap is a vagabond and resort to begging and petty thievery for sustenance. Sustenance means for his livelihood. He is suddenly struck by the idea that the world is a big rat trap to corrupt and destroy man. He steals 30 kroners from an old crofter who has been kind and generous to him. Crofter is a man who used to live lonely when you go through the text of this chapter. He loses his way in the woods means forest, and reaches Ramsjo Iron Works, seeking warmth and shelter there. The iron master mistakes him. Iron master means the owner of that Ramsjo Iron Workshop, for his old regimental comrade von Stahl. He mistook him, misidentified him. Him means who? That peddler, that tramp. The tramp refuses to accept the invitation of the iron master to his manor house for Christmas. The iron master's daughter Edla, a very important character in this chapter, persuades him to accept their invitation for Christmas. Next morning at breakfast, the iron master, on seeing the well spruced up tramp, realizes his mistake and threatens to hand him over to the sheriff. Edla intervenes as they had promised him Christmas cheer. She wanted him to have a peaceful day with them. At the church, Edla and iron master come to know that their guest was a thief. On their return, they find the tramp gone. Edla had a Christmas present from the tramp, a packet containing a rat trap and 30 kroners to be given to the old crafter, its rightful owner. The tramp changed from a bad human being to a good human being through the compassionate behavior of Edla. And the last line says, the tramp a transformed individual. Characters in the story: the peddler, as we have discussed, that rat trap seller, a tramp who sold rat traps for a living, a petty thief. Tramp means a wanderer, homeless, jobless. The crofter, a simple person with a trusting nature. Gullible means easy to believe or easy to make trust. Easily robbed by the peddler. The iron master, Mr. Williamson is the real name of the iron master, a hard taskmaster and a law-abiding person, but no match for his daughter's powers of persuasion. Edla Williamson, a very important character, which has a strong impact in this chapter through her behavior. Because of her behavior, that bad guy, our rat trap seller, has changed into a good man. Daughter of the iron master, the very epitome of compassion and kindness. As I told you, compassion means a kind-heartedness. She has full faith in the innate goodness of man, dares to keep the peddler of manor house for Christmas even after knowing that he is a tramp. Now let us work out with the vocabulary of this chapter. Rat trap, a difficult entangling situation, a condition or state of affair almost beyond one's ability to deal with and requiring great effort to bear. And when we talk about this rat trap in materialistic form, then you might have seen that rat traps are some kind of cage into which mouse are trapped. Mijolis, a card game played in Sweden. Crofter, a small farmer. Rolling mill, a factory or machine for rolling steel or other metal into sheets. Forge, make or shape by heating it into fire or furnace and hammering it. Smelter, an establishment for producing a base metal from its ore. Scow, a flat-bottomed boat used for transporting cargo to and from ships and harbor. Bellows, a device with an air bag that emits a stream of air when squeezed together with two handles, used for blowing air into a fire. Maw, the jaw or throat of a voracious animal, the mouth or gullet of a greedy person. Unwanted, unaccustomed or unusual. Sheriff, in England and New South Wales, in European country, the chief executive officer of the crown in a country, having various administrative and judicial functions. In Scotland, it is usually referred as a judge. Metaphor of rat trap: the whole world is a rat trap and all the riches are the baits. A metaphor means when we give some parallel example with one thing to the other thing in comparison, then this is called metaphor. It is also called an implied simile. In simile, there is use of words like and as, but in metaphor, that particular word itself is taken into account. For example, in lower classes, you might have gone through camel is the ship of desert. Here, camel is considered as a ship. The whole world is a rat trap and all the riches are the baits that draws the human rats into it. Once trapped, there is no escape for anyone. Now let us go through some short answer questions. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? So the answer you can see. Second question, how did the peddler repay the crofter's hospitality? Third question, why did the peddler refuse the iron master's invitation to the manor house? Fourth question, what were Edla's doubts about the peddler? Fifth question, why did Edla persuade her father to let the peddler stay for Christmas with them? Sixth question, these all are short answer types. Why was Edla delighted to see the peddler's gift? You will have to work out these questions into your notebook. So see that these questions. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Wanstall at the last of the chapter? When you will go through the text, you will find. But here I have given the answer. At last, treatment of him as a captain, not as a tramp. Wished to redeem himself in her eyes. Redeem, that word you might have often heard about that. And a thief, talented, goodness, awakened, signed as captain. So this is all about rat trap. I think you have enjoyed the chapter. Keep learning. Thank you.